Hello people, welcome back to BL Animation Studios.
Last time we saw an important topic used in motion graphics. Do you remember? Yes, it was the text layer. Similarly, today we are going to learn about another important layer, the shape layer. Come, let's jump into After Effects and explore shape layers in detail. Let's open the shape layer composition. When we open a different composition, it opens in a new tab like this, and this is the shape layer composition. Now, what is a shape layer and what is it used for? In motion graphics, shape layers are used for character animations and more. Using shape layers, we can create visuals like these. So, there's a strong connection between motion graphics and shape layers. They're really useful. Now, let's explore what we can do using shape layers. Let me show you a demo. I'm importing an image by drag and drop. Then I'm dragging it into the timeline like this. Wow, the image looks great. Let's use a shortcut to reduce the scale. Press S and adjust it. OK, it's ready. Now I'm going to use the shape layer to create a mask. How? In some videos, you'll see the visuals appear only within a specific shape. That's a mask. Use this rectangle tool to create shape layers. We can choose our desired shape. I want a polygon. This is the stroke value hand. This is the fill color. I don't want stroke, so I'll make it 0. Now I'm drawing a shape. It's moving awkwardly. So to control it, hold Shift. You can now move it neatly. Using the selection tool, I'm placing it where I want. I want the image to appear in this shape only. To crop it, we use the toggle switch. Click on it. You'll see No Matte under Track Matte. Click on No Matte and choose Shape Layer. What we're doing is telling After Effects to crop the image to the shape. Or select that image layer, then drag the spiral icon to the shape layer. Now, the image is cropped to the shape. If you move the image, the shape stays in place. This kind of animation is used in slideshows, image transitions and more. There is another way to create a matte, but the issue is, it can't be animated as easily. I'll delete everything and go back. Select the layer, then select the shape tool again. I'll choose polygon. Draw as before. It might go above the image and show an blue outline. Select it with the selection tool and place it. Now, this is called a mask. Even though we used the same tool, it's not a separate shape layer. It stays within the same image layer. So if you move the image, the shape moves along with it. So, shape layers can also be used to create masks. Now I'm deleting the image. Just like in Illustrator, shape layers in After Effects are vector-based, so they don't get pixelated. Even when you zoom in a lot or scale it, you won't see any pixels. That's why shape layers are heavily used in motion graphics. If you notice that when you create a shape, the anchor point is not centered, it appears wherever you draw the shape. To fix that, go to Edit, Preferences, General, or use the shortcut. A box will open. Take the option Center Anchor Point in a new shape layer. Now, every time you create a new shape, the anchor point will be in the center. Let's look at shape layer properties now. Click the arrow on the shape layer. You will see Contents and Transform. Transform is just like the one in text layers. Now go into Contents. Since we used a polygon shape, it shows up as Polystar, instead of Animate as in text layers. This Add menu has many powerful options we'll explore more in future videos. Let me show you some that I use. If you go into the polygon options, you will see points. You can increase or decrease them. Then there is position. This is specific to the shape inside the shape layer. This position is different from the overall transform. So a shape layer has 3 positions. One inside the shape, one in the transform section under content, one in the main transform of the layer. Same applies to rotation, scale, and roundness. Stroke adds the border, fill adds color, and finally, transform, which works the same as usual. Now let's create an important animation. delete the shape layer. Draw a stroke. If it's not visible, increase the stroke value. Open the properties. Click Add, Trim Paths. This lets you animate the stroke like a loading animation. Start and end values can be animated using keyframes. Next, let's explore wiggle paths. Apply it and press play. You will see the shape wiggle randomly. That's how wiggle path works. Now let's see another cool option. Repeater. Create a stroke. Go to Add Repeater. See how it duplicates the shape automatically. You can adjust position, rotation, and more. It rotates around the anchor point. Using this, you can make beautiful and complex motion graphics easily. Now here's another interesting trick. Create a text layer. I'll type animation. Right-click. Create. Create shapes from text. Now, the text becomes a shape layer. Each letter is a separate shape. This lets you modify the paths easily and animate them with keyframes. One more thing. If you draw a rectangle and set stroke to 0, you will notice you can't animate the path. Why? Because the shape is based on size and not path. To fix this, right-click on Rectangle Path, convert to Bezier Path. Now, you get full control of the path and can animate it. That's it, guys. In this video, we learned a basic introduction to shape layers. We'll go deeper into more features in upcoming videos. Don't forget to try what you saw today. As usual, if you have any doubts, like if I missed anything or you don't understand a particular icon, please ask in the comments. That helps improve the quality of our videos. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to check out other videos. If you like what you see, subscribe and join the family. Also, hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Let's meet in the next video. Until then, it's BL signing off.